Have you shared your Gmail account with someone and now want to change your password due to the security reason? Well, you can easily do it. Want to know how? Here are the video for that. Hey guys, my name is AJ and welcome to Askprob blog. In today's video, we will be talking about how to change the password on Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button. To create a new password on the Gmail, first of all you need to open the browser on your computer. In my case, I am going to use the Google Chrome, but if you are using any other browser, you are free to use that. Now go to the gmail.com website. If you haven't signed into the Gmail account yet, you need to sign into your Gmail account. Once you will be able to see your mailbox on the screen, you need to click on the settings icon which is available at the top right corner and then click on the see all settings button. Here you need to click on the accounts and import tab. Once you will get into the accounts and import tab, you need to click on the change password button. After clicking on the change password button, you will reach to the sign in window once again. Here you need to type your current password to sign into the Gmail account. If you don't know your password and still want to change your password, then you have to skip this change password option. Click on the change password using recovery options button. I have made a separate video on how to reset a password using a recovery option. So if you want to create a password by using the recovery option, you can go to the Gmail playlist on the Askprob channel and watch that video. If you know your current password, then you need to follow the instructions given here. So here you need to sign into your Gmail account once again. To do that, you need to enter your current password and then click on the next button. Once you will click on the next button, you will sign into the Gmail account and now it will ask you to enter a new password. Here you need to type your new password, whatever password you want to make, but make sure that you are not going to create a weak password. It should be always a complex password, which should be a combination of letters, numbers and symbols. So here I'm going to create my password. Just like that, you can create your password. Once you will type your new password here, it's a time to confirm the new password. So you need to type the same password in the confirm new password box and then click on the change password button. Once you will hit the change password button, your new password will be generated for the Gmail account. Now if you will try to sign in your Gmail account on any device, then you have to enter this new password. You won't be able to sign in through your old password. So this was the video about how to change the password on your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching Askprob blog.